Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 Cordless Stick and Hand Vacuum with SmartTech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 Cordless Stick and Hand Vacuum with SmartTech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 Cordless Stick and Hand Vacuum with SmartTech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.